monster. Hi, I'm a storyteller. I love stories and monsters. Did you know monsters love stories too? Yes, they do, especially mine. When I wake up, I can't wait to share a new story. Today's story is called Marble Monster. My friend Lehka really loves marbles. So we made her a monster made out of marbles. Lehka's favorite marbles are purple, pink, and turquoise, like her favorite colors. Each day, Lehka goes for a walk. I mean, she goes for a roll with her monster because her feet are round. With roller skates, Lehka and her monster can roll anywhere they want to. How fun! Oh no, the bridge is broken. No problem. The marble monster can roll marbles over to fix it. Now Lehka can slide over the marbles to the other side. And now everyone can play marbles together. Oh look, the marble monster brought some new ones to share. Lehka loves her monster. Her name is Rolly. What a great story!